Hey, real quick, do you ever search YouTube or Google before buying something? Yeah, same here. And when I kept seeing people talk about this supplement called Mitolyn, I knew I had to figure out what the hype was about. I was seeing titles like Mitolyn reviews, Does Mitolyn work, and even Mitolyn complaints. So I thought, let me do the digging and give you the honest scoop in one place, especially if you're thinking about trying it for energy, focus, and fat loss. Now, first, a big warning. Mitolyn is only sold on the official website. If you see it on Amazon, eBay, or some sketchy third-party site, stay far away. People have reported getting fake versions that didn't work, or worse, gave them side effects. I'll drop the official link in the description and top comment so you don't have to guess. All right, let's break it down. Mitolyn is a natural supplement designed to help your mitochondria, which are basically the energy engines inside your cells. The idea is that when your mitochondria are working better, your whole body starts performing at a higher level. More energy, better metabolism, and yes, fat burning without that jittery, over-caffeinated crash. The ingredient blend in Mitolyn is focused on increasing energy production at the cellular level while also helping with digestion and detox. That's why people in Mitolyn reviews keep saying they feel lighter, clearer, and just more alive after taking it consistently. And it's super simple to use. Just take one capsule in the morning with a full glass of water. That's it. You don't have to change your entire routine or do anything fancy. Just make sure your consistent daily use is key. Now let's talk results. From what I've seen and read, some people feel the difference in the first few days, like less brain fog, better energy, and reduced cravings. Most folks start seeing fat loss and better digestion within a few weeks. By month 2, people report waking up more refreshed and noticing actual changes in their body. But like anything natural, it's not instant. You've got to give it time. I also checked out a bunch of Mitolyn consumer reviews and complaints, and so far I haven't seen major side effects being reported. It's made in an FDA-registered facility in the US, and it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and free of stimulants, so it seems like they took safety seriously when putting this together. Most users recommend sticking with it for at least 60 to 90 days to get the full effect. And honestly, that's where the best deals are too. The official site offers discounts if you buy 3 or 6 bottles, plus they throw in some digital wellness bonuses like detox checklists and meal tips, which is cool if you're trying to reset your routine. And here's what sealed the deal for me. They offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. No drama, no hassle, but again, only if you buy from the official site. So don't forget to use the link in the description or pinned comment if you decide to try it. So if you've been curious about all those Mitolyn reviews, I hope this helped clear things up. It's not a miracle pill, but it's a natural product with real science behind it, and a lot of people are seeing real results. If you've already tried Mitolyn, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. And if this helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone who's been struggling with energy or stubborn fat. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.